This is another worked example just demonstrating why it's so important to be able to take logs of both sides of an equation. So here we have an equation, and here we have the way that data could be plotted if you take log A and log C on the axes. The first thing we need to do is take logs of both sides of the equation. So we can just say that log A is equal to log B, and then we've got something raised to the power of minus D. So this is then minus D log C. Okay, so that's the first thing. We then need to complete the table. So on the y-axis we can see we've got log A, and on the x-axis we've got log C. So what about the gradient and the y-intercept? Well, what we've got here is y, and we've got x, if we think about y equals mx plus c, but they're not necessarily in the right order. So I'm going to rewrite this as log A is equal to minus d log c plus log B. So I've just switched those around. And we can now see how this is then related to the equation y is equal to mx plus c. So we've got this on the x-axis, that on the y-axis, which means the gradient is equal to minus d, and the y-intercept is equal to log b. So how could we find the value of d from the graph? Well, simply, if we can work out the gradient, we can see that the gradient is equal to minus d, and that means the value of d must be equal to the negative value of the negative gradient. So because we've got a negative gradient, this would mean that d would actually be a positive value. So all we need to do is work out the value of the gradient, multiply it by minus 1, and that's going to give us the value for d. And that again is why it's so important to be able to do stuff with logs in order to look at the relationship between two or more different quantities. By the way, this is just one of many videos I've made covering all of the maths that you need to understand for A-level physics. It's part of a mini course which includes many more topic videos, multiple worked examples, and also a guide that you can download. You can find all of this over at alevelphysicsonline.com.